Sam Sharpe, also known as Daddy Sharpe, was hanged on May 23, 1832. Sharpe, a slave able to read and write, became a lay preacher and also a well-known leader at Burchell Memorial Baptist Church in Montego Bay. Since the British allowed slaves to attend religious meetings, Sharpe ministered to those who congregated to hear him preach. But preaching wasn't Sharpe's only intentions. Having a gathering of slaves allowed him to also speak on the problems of slavery and the need for its abolition. It was during one of the religious gatherings in 1831 that Sharpe suggested for slaves to show passive resistance by not working during Christmas holidays and continue their work stoppage unless slaves received better treatment and the government considered ending slavery. This plan spread quickly from plantations in St. James to plantations in other parishes. Some planters eventually became aware of the planned work stoppage, so they realized that trouble was ahead if cane was not cut during the harvesting season. Some slaves were not satisfied with simply showing passive resistance. Contrary to Sam Sharpe's urging, they encouraged violence, which manifested in the initial action of setting Kensington Estate Great House on fire. This led to slaves burning down other plantation great houses and seizing property through western parishes. The colonial government quelled the rebellion with armed Jamaican military forces, maroons, and crew on warships that anchored off the coast of Montego Bay and Black River. Expected offenders were hunted down. Approximately 180 were killed, but an estimated 500 were caught, jailed, tried, and many were hanged. Their heads were severed and placed around their plantations to warn slaves to avoid future rebellions. But Sam Sharpe turned himself in to avoid the Baptist missionaries getting the blame for his instigation of the resistance. The British buried Sharpe in a location where his body could not be found, or he would not be remembered in history. But Sharpe will always be remembered for many years to come. He is one of Jamaica's national heroes. A teacher's college bears his name. The square he was executed is known as the Sam Sharpe Square. His photo also appeared on the $50 Jamaican banknote.